Hey fam! So, today we are going back to the mall with Kevin and Tommy. Again, this time we have Thibodeau, a friend of ours that's gonna join us. I'm off to go get Tommy right now. We're gonna go meet up with Kevin and Thibodeau at the mall. Let's see how this goes. Let's just see what happens. It's the man of the hour. It's T-Wizzle. It's Timo. Hey boy. Hi beautiful boy.
What's up?
Hello child molester.
Child molester.
Okay, you know what you need to do, Tommy?
What?
You need to take my phone and film a montage for us going to the Carrefour.
Alright. Hey, what's up? It's your boy.
You don't have to film yourself. You have to film it fucking outside.
Well, give me a second, right?
God damn it.
Your dream. We were ordering some treats. You said it would be alright.
Oh, puppy! Oh, that's not a puppy.
Look at that ass. Damn. Why?
Because we're approaching the guys.
Titanium white.
Look, titanium white. We're approaching the guys.
Let me just brush.
We're getting really close to the guys. It's the guys. Look, that's the guys. The boys right there. It's the guys. It's the guys. Hi. Wow, that was mean. Hi.
Tu vois la richesse de Thibodeau?
What the fuck?
Tu dis, faut que je m'achète un iPad.
Well, I mean, in what he drives, there's no real shocker
Un
there.
char de pauvre, ça, t'as vu mon Focus?
Have you seen my fucking car? Have you seen your car?
Have you seen mine?
Ça, c'est un char de pauvre à comparer à mon Focus.
Compared to your Focus? Yeah, that's true. Yeah, your Focus is pretty intense. Huh?
C'est un char de cassé, ça.
That one? Oh, yeah. Okay, let's go.
Man.
Ah, c'est ça, en fait. Comme ça.
Go for it. Right into the side. You think you're so cool, huh? Don't open the window. Fuck off. Yo, there's
Hey,
a,
le gros, tu peux même pas en
yo,
scène,
there's a
toi?
McLaren like right over there.
Ouais, non, McLaren.
What the
Oh my god, you hear the song? Is it?
Crab dance.
Crab dance. Tommy, listen, it's crab dance.
C'est vrai, hein?
Huh?
Yeah,
there's
une
actually-
McLaren, une 370, ça, c'est ouais.
And a fucking Malibu. The best of them all.
C'est ça, on va installer de quoi sur mon char?
What are you gonna install?
Tu sais, mes dernières LED que je te parlais.
Yeah.
Ça.
Okay. Look.
Elle est gros, vraiment une McLaren.
Yeah, there's actually a McLaren.
Je pense que c'est une 720 ou une 650. Copyrighted music. M'a dit s'il va faire de course. C'est même pas game.
Hey, c'est une course? C'est quoi ton char? Un Honda Civic.
Did you just buy it?
Non, il a acheté cet hiver.
This winter? So you wouldn't mind if I dented it, right?
Je contrôle pas ce qui se passe.
Kev, say something funny.
Hi.
Get it?
Yeah, you said hi.
Oh, great. Now we don't have music because we fucking gave them the aux cord.
Yeah.
Oh, man. That really sucks. Danny DeVito. Who's greater than Danny DeVito?
Filme le char.
Je t'en prenais là-haut.
You're too proud of your car. Kev, you guys pulled up, right? And I came running in, your grandfather's in the garage, and I rubbed my butt on the Thibodeau's window, and he came out, I turned around, he was looking me dead in the eyes, and he's just like, what the fuck?
Je vais faire une présentation de la voiture.
Hey Samuel, j'ai défait ma lumière.
18 pouces,
That was fast.
noir, avec des tailleurs noirs. Puis il y a un petit logo d'hiver. Fait que ça veut dire que c'est pour l'hiver. avec des mags noirs. Puis il y a une échelle.
Tommy, you're gonna pass off as like the biggest rapist, like child molesting racist out there.
Non, on va penser que c'est vrai.
Make it